Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure insights with Sprout Social step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Sprout Social account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, select the Reports tab on the left-hand menu. Choose the type of report you want to generate, such as Profile Report or Message Report. Click on your desired report option to access various metrics. Set the date range for the insights you want to analyze. Review the default metrics displayed to understand overall performance. Explore the available options to customize your report. You can add or remove specific metrics based on your needs. To dig deeper, use the filters to segment data by location, social network, or other criteria. Take note of engagement rates, audience growth, and overall reach. Utilize the Compare feature to see performance across different profiles or time periods. Once you've customized the report to your satisfaction, click on the Export button. Select the format you prefer for your report, such as PDF or CSV. Review your exported report to ensure it includes all necessary insights. For ongoing monitoring, consider setting up automated reports. This allows you to receive insights directly to your email on a regular basis. Finally, use these insights to refine your social media strategy and drive better engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.